Hello everyone. Today we are going to look next HTML tutorial number 2, that is HTML attributes, headings and paragraphs. First of all, we will look at HTML attributes. We have seen few HTML tags and their usage like p and h1 tag. We have used them so far in their simplest form, but most of the HTML tags can also have attributes which are extra bits of information. All HTML elements can have attributes. Attributes provides additional information about an HTML. Attributes are always specified in the start tag. Attributes usually comes in value or name or value pairs like name equal to value. The name is the property you want to set. Let's see in the example. In this code, we'll see HTML is a start and end tag. Under this, we'll have a title, that is align attribute example. In body tags, we have three paragraph tags. Under this paragraph element, there are three align attributes whose name is align, which you can use to indicate the alignment of paragraph on the page. Next, we specify the value for that attribute. See this in code. There are three possible values of align, that is left, center and right. We'll execute this code. See this. This is left aligned. This text is center aligned and this text is right aligned. Next, we'll see the href attribute, which is the HTML attribute. We place this href attribute under a tag, which is used for creating a hyperlink to either another doc or somewhere within the current document. HTML links are defined with anchor tag and link address is specified in href attribute. We'll see example. In this HTML code, A is anchor tag. Under this, href is nothing but attribute. For google.com text, we specified the web page address. Whenever we click on google.com, that opens a Google web page. Let's run this code. HTML attribute 2.html. This is link. If I click on this will open the Google page. This requires internet connection. Next, the src attribute. HTML images are defined with img tag. The file name of image source is specified in the src attribute. Images in HTML have a set of size attributes which specifies the width and height of the image. And another additional attribute is there in src. Additional attribute is there for image attribute, that is alt attribute specifies an alternative text to be used when an image can't be displayed. Let's see the example code for this. This is image tag. Under image tag we have src attribute, width, height and alt attribute. src attributes takes a path of the file which will be displayed on the web page. Here it contains a image forest image. Actual name is imageforest.jpg. It contains width 500 pixels, height 600 pixels. Alt is an attribute. As I said earlier, alt attribute specifies an alternative text to be used when an image can't be displayed. If the image img forest doesn't exist, then it will display the text as forest instead of image. Let's see the example code for this. HTML attribute 3. The src attribute, it is a heading tag. We displayed the image forest 500 by 600. If I change the image name as image forest 1 and run this, see this. Alt attribute specifies forest as alternative name because imgforest1.jpg doesn't exist. Next, look at another attribute, that is the style attribute. The style attribute is used to specify the styling of an element like color, font, size, etc. If we want to provide inline styling to format the text, we can use style attribute. In paragraph tag, there is a style attribute. Under this, we specified the color of the text to be red. Let's run this. HTML attribute 4. See this. The color of paragraph changed to red. Next attribute is title attribute. A title attribute is added to the P element. The value of the title attribute will be displayed as a tooltip when you mouse over the paragraph. Code example is, under body tag we have h2 and paragraph tag. Under h2 tag we have title attribute. Inside we will given the tooltip, that is I am header, and this contains tooltip as a I am tooltip. Whenever we mouse over on this text, the tooltip specified in title attribute will be displayed. Let's run this code. HTML attribute 5. See this. After mouse over on the title attribute, it displays as I am a header. On paragraph, it displays as I am tooltip. Next, we covered up till now HTML attributes. Let's see HTML headings topic. HTML headings. Headings are defined with H1 to H6 tags. H1 defines the most important heading, as H6 defines the least important heading. Let's see the code for this. HTML head. Under body tag, we specified the H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6 tags. Let's run this. HTML head 1. See this. This is H1 tag. This is H2 tag. This is H3 tag. This is H4 tag. This is H5 tag. This is H6 tag. Let's see next Headings are important. Search engines uses the headings to index the structure and content of your web pages. It is important to use headings to show the document structure. Use HTML headings for headings only. Do not use headings to make text bold or bigger headings. Each HTML heading has a default size. However, you can specify the size for any heading with style attribute using CSS font size property. Let's see the example for this. Big headings. In body tag we can have h1 tag. Under this style is a inline attribute. For this we have value font size 60 pixel. Let's run this. See this is a h1 tag. We change the size of h1 tag to 60 pixel. Next, HTML horizontal rules. The HR tag defines a thematic break in an HTML page and is most often displayed as a horizontal rule. HR element is used to separate the content or define a change in an HTML page. See the code for this. Horizontal rules. In HTML tag we have body tag. Under this we separated the heading and paragraphs using HR tag. Let's run this code. See this is heading and paragraph. We divided this through HR line. Next, the HTML head element. The HTML head element has nothing to do with HTML headings. The head element is a container for metadata. HTML metadata is data about the HTML document. Metadata is not displayed. The head element is placed between the HTML tag and the body tag. Metadata typically define the document title, character set, styles, links, scripts, and other meta information. See the code example. HTML head tag. In head tag we have title and meta. Title and meta tags. Let's run this. The HTML head elements contain metadata. Metadata is about data about the HTML document. See the next. We had covered HTML attributes and HTML headings. Let's see HTML paragraphs. The HTML element defines a paragraph. HTML display. You can't be sure how HTML will be displayed. Larger or smaller screens and resized windows will create different results. The browser will remove any extra spaces and extra lines when the page is displayed. Let's see the code. HTML display. If we specify the text like this, line breaks or extra spaces, browser will remove all this text. And after that, whenever we resize the window, it will show the number of lines as per that. So this browser removed the extra spaces, and if we resize the window, it will show the number of lines as per window size. Next, HTML line breaks. The HTML BR element defines a line break. Use BR tag if you want a line break, a new line without starting a new paragraph. Let's see this BR tag. Run this example. This is we return the BR tag. So the next line displayed, the text is displayed at next line. Same process is with line breaks. Next, the HTML pre-element. The HTML pre-element defines a pre-formatted text. The text inside a pre-element is displayed in a fixed width font, usually in Courier font, and it preserves both spaces and line breaks. Let's see the code for that. See this, in body tag there is a p tag. The pre tag preserves both spaces and line breaks. we return this poem in pre tag. It displays by default in Courier font. Let's see. Thus, if you give spaces, then this, it will take that space. It doesn't remove the space. The speciality of pre tag is that it displays the text or paragraph whatever you written in pre tag as it is. Thank you everyone for watching this video.